Stephen King, the ex-boyfriend of Elaina Steinfurth's mother, appeared before a judge at a bond hearing Thursday morning. Bond was set at $250,000. And for the first time since Elaina went missing, the word homicide was used by officials. Assistant Lucas County Prosecutor Brad Smith said the case, quote, is regarded now as a homicide investigation. Lauren Zahner is a criminal defense attorney not involved with the case. He says the word homicide can be used without facts to support it.
There's nothing improper about that at all. They're not accusing anyone of homicide. They're saying that we're considering it as a homicide investigation.
He says it's a tactic that may be used to scare the people involved.
By making that kind of a claim, it puts a whole lot more pressure on the defendants to cooperate and to potentially work out some type of a deal if they know anything, if they were involved.
The assistant prosecutor may have used the word to convince the judge to increase the bond amount because it could potentially be a homicide.
The penalties obviously could be very harsh and possibly the death penalty. And so it may be some incentive on the defendants if they know anything.
Stephen King is one of two key suspects in the case, but his attorney says this is the first time he's heard the word homicide put out there. He adds, quote, there are no homicide charges pending against anyone at this point.
It's an allegation, but it's not a charge.
But Zahner says when the term homicide is used, it would be safe to assume there is some evidence pointing in that direction.
I would expect they have some information, but they don't necessarily have enough, and they're trying to continue to gather that information.